Managing your Google business profile effectively is one of the best things you can do to increase visibility, attract customers, and strengthen your online presence. In 2025, Google continues to prioritize businesses that are active, accurate, and responsive. That means the way you manage your profile directly affects how often your business appears in search results and how customers perceive your brand. In this video, we'll go over the best practices to help you manage your Google business profile the right way. The first best practice is to always keep your business information accurate and updated. This includes your business name, category, address, phone number, and operating hours. If you adjust your hours for holidays, special events, or seasonal changes, make sure to update them immediately. Even small inconsistencies can create confusion for customers and reduce trust. Accurate information helps Google deliver your listing to the right people at the right time. Next, make sure to optimize your business description. Your description should clearly explain what you do, who you serve, and what makes your business unique. Use simple and natural language that reflects your brand. A well-written description not only helps customers understand your services, but also improves your chances of appearing in relevant local searches. Another important best practice is to upload high-quality photos and videos regularly. Visual content plays a huge role in convincing customers to choose your business. Add new interior and exterior photos, product images, team photos, and short videos that highlight your services or daily operations. Regular photo updates help keep your profile active, and Google rewards that activity by giving your business more visibility. Managing your Google business profile also means being consistent with posts. Posting updates such as promotions, new products, events, or announcements can boost engagement. These posts show both customers and Google that your business is active. Aim to post weekly or at least twice a month. The more consistent you are, the better your engagement will be. One of the most crucial best practices is to respond to customer reviews. Reviews are a major ranking factor and play a big role in customer trust. Reply to both positive and negative reviews in a professional and warm manner. Thank customers for their feedback and address concerns with solutions. When people see that you're attentive and responsive, they feel more confident choosing your business. You should also pay attention to your Google Business Profile Insights. This section gives you valuable data about how customers are finding and interacting with your listing. Use this information to guide your decisions, whether it's improving certain keywords, posting more content, or updating your photos. The more you understand your audience's behavior, the better you can optimize your profile. Another best practice is to make full use of Google's additional features, such as attributes, services, booking links, FAQs, and messaging. These tools make your profile more complete and useful. For service-based businesses, adding detailed service descriptions can help you appear in more specific searches. For restaurants, adding menus and photos is essential. The more complete your profile is, the more credible it looks. Lastly, stay consistent with your management. Google favors businesses that remain active over time, not those that update their profile once and forget about it. Set aside time each week or each month to review your profile, respond to reviews, and post new updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our tutorials. Keep managing your Google business profile consistently and watch your visibility and customer reach grow stronger than ever.